I'm Tamiko from Graco. I'm going to show you how to assemble the TurboBooster Highback Booster. First, we're going to start with the backless portion of the booster. We're going to attach the armrest. You want to make sure that the notch is facing outward. It's just going to insert it into the hole and press down. You'll notice that there's two different positions for your armrest. I'm placing this one into the top position. Once you have your armrest attached, you're going to attach a screw to this hole here. So if you go to the bag that contains your instruction manual, there'll be another small bag inside, and this has 2 screws. Now we're going to attach our screw. Make sure you attach your screws on both sides. Next, we're going to attach the seat back to the headrest. It's easiest to do this by flipping both pieces around. Now we're going to make sure we line up the holes. You want to make sure that this headrest piece goes underneath the notches. Now I'm just pressing down on the lever to push the headrest down. Now we're going to attach our seat cover. And flip our seat back around. You want to make sure that the headrest flap is underneath the seat cover. And work the cover around. We're going to flip the seat so that we can attach the elastic at the back. You have 2 elastic loops. There's one at the top and one at the bottom. Finally, we're going to attach the backless booster to the backrest. To do this, I'm going to angle the seats at a 90-degree angle. Now you can rotate the backrest forward, and you'll hear a click once it's in place. And now your seat is ready for use.